sang bakiwi ki telat lani kimla dei bandon galenti bangin yo lang bat min long job kani kadawa takum gajuk mentah kani kapor kadawa bangin yat ong ipi tongin snok tilang tongin snotho lang tongin tre lang penjob yung nong shun besong te hapo sketiret utaw konrat ke sama utaw dei nong shun cho kete bendriu. We often query that why our success should come into someone's failure or why your success should come into others' failures. Our message is strong and we want direct to say to you, let's come together, join hands together, understand each other, and we will fight the common enemy, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma. Now I will counter the briefing of Mr. Conrad K. Sangma ngan pensai sapi kipat ba ya gajing keren menteri rangba nadu ka khat pha tarek penai ba ar hazar ar puar habau la khat yangi kiseng oper ban ya keren ya kan nek MOU saban keren kunta na kwa mangkeli nakini kiba ya song khabar I would like to ask how many of you are from Malong Khana. I want to see, please kindly raise your hand. Conrad Sangma said that it's the will of the people. If it is the will of the people, then who are this? Who are these people? Is this they belong from Bangladesh or from Meghalaya? Straight question I want to ask from Mr. Conrad K. Sangma. And relate with Mr. Deputy Chief Minister. He said that they can't review the MOU. But I said to him, we didn't ask to review the Meghalaya. We to ask to review the MOU of Meghalaya. Am I right? Maybe he's confused that he always mentioned about Meghalaya. Where the heck is that Meghalaya? I want to ask all from my friend. Kapag bangkali, hangga din ta ka Meghalaya, itip ta ka Meghalaya, ya kata ka MOU. Pak Preston Tersong, Kibriyo jong Malong Khana, Kipan, ya ka ban konbet ya ka riban review no ya ka MOU jong ka Meghalaya. Hindi ban ya shit. Konrad kong K. Sangma ula ong men kani ba kadi gajing menjor jong gislong githau ki stakeholder ki seng phalang balai ki dei maki jing sisa ban ya khun ya kani kabardar isu umdei usiem umdei mano ki nyat ki siem andre ya kapisa kabawan na po central government balai kisim ya kata kanong keti ba o kadi ga sexual papet banyadai teri ga riti dustar andre mana ya poy yo pot usam kiya kelang balai nang nakapor skopor ni sedong bandai bandi politicize no kenang ba utai UNPP bosong hapo disut konsel ni UDP unla ban pasha wat num ya long lang kenya ingin pasha ya ko hok ingin ya kun